this is how I want Jamaica to remember Khanice. It's 4 years I know Khanice, you know. If I tell you this, the things that we go through, it will be unbelievable. You literally cry. You could listen to me for hours. I have so much things I can tell you about Khanice. So much good memories. You'd be unbelievable. She was a living angel, Jamaica. I can tell you that. There's no hiding or going around that. Khanice was our living angel. That is God blessing to me, her mom, her family, everybody we should touch. That was a blessing from God. And sometimes God takes back His angels. And it's just so unfortunate she had to go like this. Please, I don't want Jamaica to paint in Khanice in any image. We, the family, and many people around her know who she was. She was a sweet, innocent, honest, nice, caring, passionate. Even if you don't like her, she can find a way to still help. That's what she is, and she's not doing it in an aggressive way. She's doing it in a way that she knows she eventually just can, you know.
Anybody who wants to say that she was this type of person or that, them don't know her. They don't know her. She's just like her mother. Her mother, most of the time, you have to wonder if she live here. You understand? If you don't come to get something from her, you see her walking down the aisle out here, and you stop and talk. Because she don't run for all about from yard to yard. She don't do that. And she just like our mother, she's even more reserved than our mother, and our mother is very reserved. You understand? You can only say good things about her. Good things about her, nothing bad.
Khanice, interestingly enough, in the past, Khanice used to talk about what would happen if one of us died. And I told her, I'm diabetic and I have type 1. So I said, I may pass before you. And she said, you can't leave me with the kids. You can't leave me with the kids. I know how can I manage with the kids. And she said, I can make sure you eat and stay healthy so I can stay fit. So I can be around long. She said, what if she would pass? And I said, I can't live, I can't go on without it. I can't do it. I can't do it. And she said, no, you have to stay strong for the kids and you have to move on. Because I wanted to move on. And I never understand what she meant until no, I never understand. And I know because she want me to be strong, because she know how strong I am. She know that I always tell me that's why she respects me so much, because I'm so strong. I can't tell you a million and one stories about her and me. I can't tell you, because everywhere we go, people always admire us, different age group, old, young. They say, I want what you guys have. Even the school we went to see the group, oh God, and the principal tell us, no, you guys are really special.